Hey everyone, back again for another video here. I struggled with this one. I was in Ehrenberg for Nomads Helping Nomads, and I actually laid awake at night trying to figure out how to best represent this, because I didn't think I'd be able to represent it the way it needs to be represented, you know, actually what was going on. And I struggled, and I think this video may give you an idea, but you'd actually have to attend it to feel the way I do about the event. I'm going to be back next year for it, help out however I can, but it's all about the people, and so the people are in this video, little short interviews, but you'll get an idea, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you'd like to get a hold of them, they're Nomads Helping Nomads on Facebook. You can contact them that way. It's a great group, and it doesn't just end at this event. It's been going on all year long. They actually helped me install my solar on my rig, and I appreciate the help. Steve and Chaz, thank you very much. All right, let's get on with this video. Out here at the Nomads Helping Nomads event, and you can see we already got people hard at work out here helping one another. It's been a great event. Last day, some people are packing up. People up cleaning their panels. Got a little dusty yesterday. Had a nice fire last night. Some people had to leave today, so I'll be back with you. Hey everyone, we're gonna have Scott, who organized the event, give a few words. Him and his wife Danelle.
We are just beyond the moon excited about how this event turned out. We had no idea it was going to be this large. We had no idea we were going to be able to help as many people as we did. It was a fantastic group of volunteers coming together to get stuff done, and I think a lot of good stuff happened. For the years going forward, we really want to find another couple or another single person to partner with and have somebody host next year's. We're going to be here, we're going to help, we're going to do all the same stuff with you, but we need to make sure that people know this is an idea, not people running this. This isn't me and my wife running this. This is these volunteers. So if somebody wants to host it next year, please reach out to me, and I'll be glad to coordinate with you. And I want to make sure that this idea and what's going on here lives on and continues to happen all over the country. But I'm ecstatic to have my volunteers out here for sure.
All right, thank you, Scott.
Well, I enjoyed myself. I'm glad I came, and I'll probably be following them around for a little while anyway.
Awesome.
Till they kick me out.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Dude, no, I'm not gonna. He said, "Do it again." What is this thing? It's so soft, man.
All right, you're
all
welcome.
right. So, this is one of the most, this is what we live for, right? This is one of the most amazing experiences that you're going to find in the nomadic community, is when, we're sort of all loners by nature, but when we come together as a community, what I have watched happen here is that everybody came here wanting to give.
Yep.
Nobody showed up going, gimme, gimme, gimme. Everybody showed up wanting to give.
Yep.
And because of that attitude right there, it was just amazing. Everything that I needed, I didn't even have to ask for.
Exactly.
And everything that I was willing to give away, somebody else was willing to use. And it really strengthens my faith in humanity.
You got it.
Which is exactly what we need right now, right?
Exactly. All right, go ahead.
All right, well, I've had a blast down here, man. Met some really, really good people, some excellent friends. Am I close enough for this?
Yes, you are.
Met some excellent friends that I'm really going to be sad to say goodbye to. They've been a blessing to me. If you're ever out and about and you meet these folks, Scott and Nell, then I definitely advise stopping and saying hi.
Definitely.
You know, just if you're ever in need, holler at them. You know, they're good people, and they'll help you out. You know, so.
All right.
Man, just that's about it. You know.
Thanks.
I'm not.
Right, you kind of put me on the spot, but I feel like it's just people helping people out.
You got it.
I mean, that's what it's all about.
All right.
All right.
All right. Thanks.
I'm Ethan, one of the volunteers. We had a lot of fun. I think we made a lot of difference for some people in some tough situations. I know that I was able to do some things that made me feel better about me, and even learned a couple of things from some of the other volunteers. That was awesome. And best part is I made some great friends that I hope I never lose.
Awesome.
Super cute and cuddly.
All right. All right. Thank you.
He's best friends with me.
All right. Good deal.
Hey everybody, I'm Jonathan. Standing right in front of my rig here at Nomads, helping Nomads. It's been a hell of a week. We have had a really good time out here. I haven't really done any builds on mine, you know, just car camping, but I've been out and helping people and, you know, making a lot of really good friends, and it's been a wonderful week. We have helped so many people. What I'm gonna do in the future?
Yeah.
You know, I'm still, you know, just living in my car, and, you know, I've been pretty inspired by, you know, all the people around. You know, I've seen a lot of different types of builds, a lot of different ways of living. I, you know, plan on setting up my own rig in the future. I came and I learned a lot of skills to build out my own van, and I'm gonna do that. I'm, you know, planning on kind of starting my own little channel and get my own thing going, and it's, you know, it's cool to see all the different options, what people are doing, and yeah, it's just overall inspiring, you know, make a lot of connections, and yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Cool. That's
Best event ever so far. Everybody's really friendly and just, yeah, good times all around.
All right. Thanks.
Hey, how you guys doing? I'm Felix. We're at the Nomads, helping Nomads. It's incredible out here. Everybody's helping everybody. And if somebody couldn't physically help, they're actually, like Cam, he'll come and just do something simple for somebody. But you got to realize that it's a life-saving thing. I mean, to them, they couldn't do it. But with Cam or me, or I met, there's Scott, there's Danelle, I met everybody. We're all trying to give and we're all trying to help, and it's fantastic out here. So just having fun.
I'm Ken. I'm on the over on the next wash doing a build, and there was something I couldn't figure out, so I called over to Felix, and he said come on over and he'll figure it out, and if he can't figure it out, there will be somebody here that can figure it out with him. So that's what we're doing.
With Felix in the shuttle bus over here. I have a school bus as well. And this is my second time out in Quartzsite, and I wanted to come out and help people with their builds any way possible. And I've basically just been doing solar the whole time. Everyone's needing solar on this trip. A few other little woodworking projects and really helping people out. It's really been a fun time.